Okay guys, I'm literally not joking. If you take a few marshmallows right here, like literally, they can be like almost getting stale. Place them on a plate, and then open the microwave. Okay, this is where it gets freaking real. This is where you're going to enhance the taste of your marshmallows. And trust me, after seeing this tip, if you do it right, you're going to eating marshmallows this way, like, for the rest of your life. Shut the microwave. Just judge it by your eye. Pretty darn sweet, but you notice something. Do you notice that those marshmallows are getting bigger? Yeah, they're freaking expanding. And look at the amount of time we got left. Can even stop it early, but this is just the beginning of the expanding. Let's keep watching. Okay? That is legit marshmallows expanding in the microwave. Okay, we got 30 seconds left. But look at that! Guys, isn't that like freaking crazy? Like, seriously. You know, I think that's as big as they're gonna get. Now they're just gonna start to crisp. And if you want it crisp, keep it in for the rest of the time. But be careful not to burn anything. Okay. I'm gonna stop it right now. Look at that. Hollow, right in the middle, plate freaking hot. But look at what you got, expanded marshmallows. Okay, they're shrinking by the second, so I gotta eat these. They're best when they're expanded. Okay, take a look at this. I am eating these marshmallows. Okay, it smells a little weird, but I can guarantee you, it'll taste just like s'mores. Oh my goodness. Put some butter on the plate before, it tastes even better. Oh my goodness. Do you see that crisp? That's from the microwave. Holy crap, guys. You see how sticky my fingers are getting? This is the real way to eat marshmallows. And you even grab like a cookie. You legit see all the crisp. It's like a s'more. Like, look, Riley really wants it. But I can't. Smells. Stitch? You up there? Look at that. Marshmallows are so good, even the cat wants them. A freaking cat wants the marshmallows. Like, Stitch, you can't have any. Like, neither can you, Riley. Or comment down below if you tried it, or what you really think of it, if there's any risks, if there's any disadvantages, or if they're freaking awesome. Comment down below what you think of this idea right now. And be sure to leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.